In this video, how to change color of an object in Photoshop. From the toolbar, select the Quick Selection tool. And hold Alt on Windows, Option on the Mac. Drag the mouse over object and select area that you have to be color. Click Adjustment Layer and select Solid Color. Choose any color and press OK. You can use a blending mode. In the blending mode dropdown, you can use the color blending mode, which combines both. You can control them independently. Now you know how to match colors in Photoshop. Go ahead and try this color matching technique on your photos.